makauna ng panalo para at least meron ka ng puhunan. Pero siyempre, mas gusto ko every game, kung may papanalo, may panalo.
Consistent sa scoring, tsaka magkikreate po ako para sa teammates ko. Tsaka, yun nga, medyo improve ko po siguro yung depensa ko.
Feeling ko, even though we're still young, yung leadership nandun eh. Yung parang, yung exposure naranasan na namin to go to a couple season in the NCAA. So feeling ko, this year, we've had the experience that we had to make a run for the championship. It's not an easy task. We have to work hard every day to practice. We've been working hard, and seasons coming up, we have to work extra hard and just stay focused, you know. Mentally and physically, we gotta stay focused and conditioned. Yan yung pinaka-main point ng parang yung pinakakailangan namin gawin.